Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I am here to show you some diamond painting items from FGNORMAL, and I'm super excited about these. You know me, I like to try to find things that are unique, new, different, and I think I hit it on the nose here with a couple of these. So let's get into them because I can hardly wait to show them to you. Thank you FGNORMAL for sending these to me. I will link them below so that you can find them. And I hope you really like these because I think they're pretty cool. All right. I haven't even opened them yet, but I think they're cool. Let's see what we got. Let's open up this little package here first. Okay. So first thing we have here is we have this little strap. You may wonder, what do we have a strap for? We're going to find out. Here's our toolkit. Comes in every package that we get. So we have this little doodad here. There's a film on it. Take the film off. Yeah, there's a film. Let's see. I want to see how clear this looks underneath the film because that's important to me in this instance. I can't get it though. That sometimes they're really hard to get started. Okay, I got a corner here. Hang on. Okay, it's got to be smooth, I think, for this application. I'm just going to take it off. Okay, that's one side. Okay, so let me show you what this is. Let's see if I can figure out how this works. Okay, first of all, it goes in this slot like this. Okay, it goes like that. And you attach this little doodad here to the top like this. And you have this strap you put on your wrist. And you can tighten up this little, I think you can, this little gizmo, maybe not. Okay, anyhow, it hangs on your wrist like this. Any idea what this is? Some of you may have no clue whatsoever, but it is a yarn cake holder for when you want to put a cake of yarn on here, and then it will, oh, this is supposed to help it spin. Oh, I think we have to put this on here. This isn't done quite right. Okay, this goes somehow, I think this goes on here. Let's see. Does this open? Yes. Yay, yes. This somehow opens. Okay, this opens like this. I'll show you. I'll show you. We'll make this puppy work one way or another. That goes on there. And this somehow all will help it spin. How's it spin? There we go. It spins. See, it spins. And then as you're knitting or crocheting, your yarn will go around and around like this. And it's so cool. It's so cool. All right. I love it. All right. Now I got it all put on here. I'm not going to take it off at the moment. But look, I got the hummingbird. Now, mind you, there are plenty of designs. There were lots of different designs for whatever you like. And that's so neat. I love it. They have a name. I don't know what they're called, but I'm super excited by it. I love it. All right, let's look at our drills for that. Drill, drill, drill. Let's see our drills, drills, drills. All right. I think it's all rhinestones, but that's okay. It'll be pretty. Couple of pinks, a blue, another blue, a green, a purple, a clear, and a little bit of black. I love it. I think this is one of the coolest things. It is so interesting, so unique. All right, let's set that aside. Go over there. Now, here's another item I'm super excited to look at because I love these. If I can figure out how to open it. This is something I would like to do this summer. Okay, now it's stuck on the plastic. Come out. Just come out, will you? Okay, so look it. I just uncovered the whole thing. All this plastic stays on here. All right. Do you know what it is? Do you know what it is? Let me feel it. Oh, it's a nice fabric. Okay. Oh, it's double-sided. That makes it even better. It's a flag. welcome to our porch with geraniums. Isn't it cool? Okay, you do both sides. I love it. Okay, so we got to keep this plastic on here to keep our sticky on there. There's a little pocket here at the top to put your flag like pole thing through. You know what I mean? The little wire things that go through there. Isn't that cool? And you do both sides. I love that. And it is a nice fabric. It's really a nice fabric. There's probably not much glue on those. Some of these might, this plastic didn't stay on well. We might need a little glue pen to put a little glue on some of these spots where the plastic came up. But it is so cool. I love this. I love it. What do you think about it? Okay, look, this is interesting. We have 2 sets of drills. I'm assuming it's one set for the front and one set for the back. Well, let's look at one set. Yeah, that's got to be what it is. They look to be exactly the same. This is fun. Oh, gosh, this is fun. Now, you're going to put this outside, right? You're going to hang it up outdoors. It's going to, be out in the weather. Spray it. Get some spray sealer and spray it, okay? That's my suggestion. Spray it. Okay. These are black. There is no number 1, which I thought was interesting. So these are black. It's for the letters. There's a green and a red and a gold. Oh, that's for the little bees that are, see the bees? Oh, that's so cute. Now this is for all of the petals. All of these bigger ones on the geraniums. Then we have some little white ones. Where do those go? Where do the whites go? Oh, they're up here. They make these little circles up there. That's cool. Okay, and then we have some green, and they're down here in the grass. This is so neat. Yeah, it's one package for each side. So we got all the same things in another package, front and back. See, I told you, unique things today. I have got unique things. Okay, you sit over there. Now, the last thing, of course, comes in a box. We love our things in boxes. Let's see what I got. And here comes my husband, of course, as I'm trying to finish filming. Let's see if I can get this done before he comes in the house. Love the little styrofoam piece. Look at this. Look how cute this is. It's a flower cart. It's a little flower cart. Now, all these jars and stuff are just to put your flower arrangement in. They look like hydrangeas to me, mainly. Love this. This is so cute. This is my dream. Anyhow, back to where we were, looking at our little flower cart here. I think it's super cute, and it's going to look really pretty when it's all done up with its drills. Anyhow, that's my little dreamland there, little dreamland. All right, let's open up. Everything's in this package. The toolkit's in here. The base is in here. All in one spot. So let's get it out. Here's our base. Remember, take off the film. And here's our drills. It's going to be a lot of rhinestones, is my guess. So let's see what we have. Green, blue, another blue, a gray, another green, pink, a couple of purples, pretty blue, green, brown. Ooh, a very deep red. Love it. That's like a garnet red. Love it. Here's our special drills. We just have 2 different sizes of green marquees, smaller and larger. So you can see that, like right down here, there's small and large, making leaves, small and large. All right, so super cute. Super, super cute. All right. Well, folks, like I said, I was excited by this order and the things that I found. We got our skein, our cake holder, and we got a flag for our front yard, and we got a pretty little flower stand. It's so cute. All right, like I said, I will link everything below. And again, thank you, FGNORMAL, for letting me pick out some things to show to you guys. and let me know what you think. I get so excited when I find fun new things that I really like. I just love it so much. All right, please do the YouTubey things, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new here, check out my channel, check out more videos that I have. You can check out memberships because I have that, buy me a coffee, all those good things that help out a creator so much. All right, so until next time, I hope you guys have a great day. Let me know your thoughts. Do you like these? If so, which one do you like the best? All right, okay. I have a cat irritating me now. I'm telling you, some days trying to film a video is like, wow. Oh, now he's going to get me. Hey, you want to get me? He's getting me. I got to go. He needs attention. All right, talk to you later. Bye, everybody.